think I missed saying this, but there is a discount on the canoe ride as well. So yes, plan your trip, guys. I highly recommend it. Kochi, Munnar and Alapi, we've loved it. And yes, there are so many other places in Kerala. Let us know in the comments as well, because we are already curious and planning a second trip. So if you know other places which can offer us a completely different experience, do let us know in the comments. So 2 minutes more and we are going to go to the biggest lake in India. Small correction, it's not the biggest, but it is the longest. So it is 96 kilometers long. 96 kilometers long. And it is 50 feet in depth. So I think we are going to, feel like we are in the ocean somewhere. Let's go and find out. Robin has been a great guide for us. He's giving us so much information. So he mentioned that this water here is salt water and there is a shutter down there somewhere. So he said that it's seasonal. They don't open the shutter because they open it, but not too much, because if the water gets too salty, this water is the same water that is used in the paddy field. So it can destroy the crops. Also the fish here are freshwater fish. So they control that. Who knew all this? And as we speak, we get to see such spectacular views around us. We've been seriously very lucky because it's not raining now. It rains only a little bit in the night. Reno was telling me yesterday, because these are like pre-monsoon showers. And yes, if it's heavy rainfall, then these guys cancel the rides. So fishermen. Robin mentioned that those small boats belong to the fishermen and they are going to catch some mussels. So he said, let's see if we can go and see some people. And look at this, there are lots of restaurants, massage centers, so many things on the way that you get. So in case if you want to stop this little canoe, that's another advantage I feel compared to the houseboats. They are pretty expensive, but this will make you feel like more like a personalized experience. Now we have made it to the lake, and Robin said far away in the distance there, if you see the hill, that's a completely different district altogether. It's not in Alapi. So yes, it really feels like we are in the ocean right now. Look at how massive and how huge this is. It's gotten more windier over here as soon as we reach the lake. Yeah. Where are we going for breakfast? Breakfast, where we are going?
It's around
Half an hour.
Yeah, 45 minutes.
Okay.
He also did have breakfast.
So Robin also mentioned that in the afternoons here there are hundreds of houseboats. So we've come at a very good time because it is quiet right now. Okay, so these coconut trees have earthen pots on right up there where the coconuts are, and that is because they collect toddy from these trees. And we have a very bumpy ride now. So yes, it's gotten more windier, the sun is out, and I think getting here early morning, another advantage is the birds that we are seeing here. There are so many birds. I cannot wait to try fishing as well. I really hope I can catch at least one Karamir. So as we reach the lake here,
Off season because when they shut, it's a salt water.
salt water, okay. So we got to see a lot of these little plants here. Let me see if I can give you a close-up view. Yeah, that one there. So these are called poda in the local language, and Robin mentioned that it has a small purple flower on it. So it has a season as well. During season time, this place is full of these plants. And look at this. So yeah, these are the little plants, and look at the birds here. So yes, that's a little island. Again, with a lot of Kerala food in my belly, I am standing here. Yeah, put on a lot of weight, guys. I need to lose this weight, but Right now I'm not thinking too much about it because of this view. Wow, it's like I'm surfing through the canal. So cool. So that side there far away and also this side far away, if you see the open space, these are mostly paddy fields. So there's a lot of rice that is cultivated that side. And if you are wondering when these canals were made, these were made by the king in the end of the 17th century. So yes, I can, if you think about it, these are so long and so wide. How many people must be working on it? Look at that, Adrian, look at that wire. And if you see there in the distance, that wire, it is full of birds. I don't know if you can see it. We are getting closer. Let me give you a close-up shot. Yes, look at this. So many birds. I don't know what birds these are. They look like seagulls. No, they are not seagulls. So cool. Look at this side. Wow. Okay, so now we are getting closer to the trees here. I asked him why the trees are so small. Look at that. So there are some earthen pots there. If you can see that, yeah, there's one right here. So yes, my question to Robin was why these trees are so small. So he said that you can make toddy from even a small tree. Look at that, they are all in line. Even that side, so many are there. Check this out. So cool. Like you will not get this experience in a houseboat. That is what Adrian was saying. This is more like a personalized kind of an experience. Look at that. We are so close to the wall here, and these are the plants that I was talking about. Robin is back to his old school ways. He stopped the motor because we are so close to the wall. He's paddling, and yeah, there are banana trees as well. Feels so quiet. Adrian said she thinks she can sleep here. You can sleep anywhere, Adrian, not only here. Adrian is someone who can, even if there is a war going outside the house, she can still sleep peacefully. Me, I am totally the opposite. Look at that. So nice. Feels so good. You can just hear. I'll stop talking for a bit.
Because we are touching.
We are going to touch the wall, but yes, we have Robin with us, so no need to
Robin
worry.
is a pro. He just climbed up like nothing.
Yeah.
I don't know how I'm going.
There are some steps there.
I'm not going to.
We have an emergency, but not so bad. It's under control. Oh, so okay, Robin is intentionally taking us. We are going to get off here, Robin?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. We are not crashing. Sorry, guys. It is intentional. We're going to take those steps there, made from stones, and we are going to go up there. These are the little steps that are made from stones, and this is going to be a little bit of an adventure. Let me wear my slippers. 1, 2, 3. Yes, and we are here. So yes, we've come here to have a look. Yeah, Robin, please explain to us.
Yeah.
I saw there, yeah, there's a pot there, earthen pot there. That one has.
Yeah, see that branch over there?
Show me. The boat was almost going to go away with Adrian on it, but yes, Robin is going to tie that here. This one? Okay.
Yeah, come here.
Yeah, so you have to walk a little bit here. Yes.
See that branch? Shaped like a cone.
This branch, shaped like a cone.
Yeah.
Ah.
They will. That one is actually new one. They cut the end of the branch and they.
The toddy, it comes from that.
Actually, they will put something like a.
1 minute. Look at this cartoon. Anyway, so Robin wants to say something. Yeah, Robin, how does this work?
Yeah. See that branch over there?
Yeah.
Shaped like a cone.
Yeah.
Next to that pot.
Huh.
They will cut the tip of the branch and they will tap with a bone like animal bone, the big one. They will tap and and for
You said like there's a special knife to cut it.
yeah,
Huh.
it's a special knife
Huh.
and only designed for cutting this and it's very sharp and they will use the bone for tapping. That's why the toddy tapping the name comes from.
Ah, okay.
And
And what animal bone is this?
yeah, any animal with the strong bone has
Ah,
to be. Yeah,
the strong like bone, long
yeah,
piece.
yeah. Cow.
Ah, okay.
This,
And
here this bone.
the
is
leg
better.
part,
Yeah,
yeah.
leg part.
And you said that they put a paste as well, no, on it?
Yeah, that's for the no, for preventing the flies and bugs. It's because it's very sweet when they take the toddy. It's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
sweet, and after 24 hours, that the sugar convert into alcohol.
Yeah, it
it's
turns
almost,
sour.
Yeah, it's a almost 6% of alcohol. Actually, same like a beer.
Huh.
In the beginning, it was so sweet, but
Yeah, yeah. I have had toddy, yeah.
yeah, and that's how they're making, and they put pod like that. Pod or any plastic bottle is also fine. And if I think you can see any plastic bottle, so you can see the toddy also from there.
Okay,
So
okay.
transfer.
Let's see. So we are going to see if we will check some other trees as well to see if there are any plastic bottle. And we just realized that there were lot of wasps over there, and we went and stood on the wasp. Luckily they didn't sting us,
Yeah.
but yeah, we were lucky.
See the different level of water.
Yeah, and let me show you. Robin explained. Look at the level of the water, and look at the level of the paddy field. So it's uneven.
Yeah, it's almost 2 meters below the sea level. That's why the Kutanad means it's only few places in the world. Exactly 5 places in the world.
Which is below sea
Below
level.
the sea level.
Oh.
Cultivating below the sea level. Yeah, and once in the Netherlands, you know, it's a Dutch. They have 7 meters below the sea
Okay,
level.
okay.
Yeah.
So this is 2 meters
Yeah,
place.
this one is, and in Netherlands and Kutanad. This area is the well developed and yeah, vast cultivation of.
This area is called Kuttanad.
Yeah, Kutanad.
Kuttanad. And what rice grows there?
It's a local like red rice.
Red rice, brown rice.
Yeah.
Brown. Okay, that's so cool. Thank you, Robin. You've given us so much information.
Yeah.
And trip hasn't gotten over yet. There's more to see. Okay.
Yeah. See that
Ah, yes, we found it. Yes, we found it.
next branch.
Okay, let me show you a close-up view. So yes, that's how it looks. So this is the little toddy. So every tree you said gives up to 6 liters.
Yeah, but 2 to 6.
2 to 6 liters. Okay, so what they do is they keep cutting that branch there, as you can see.
Every day they will cut 1 centimeter of tip.
Yeah, every day they will cut one, and drop by drop it fills,
drop
right?
by drop.
So they even have a plastic bottle, or they have this earthen pot. Yeah, so cool. And let me give you a close-up view of the paddy fields as well. Look at this. So yes, look at this. How quiet and so huge. These paddy fields are very big. What is that area there far away? That is Alleppey, Kuttanad.
This is yes, Alleppey.
Alleppey.
And in Kottayam.
In Kottayam,
Yeah.
toward north. Okay. All right, Robin. Thank you for the lovely experience. What is next? I'm excited to know.
Village walking.
Village walking, and we'll have breakfast there.
Yeah.
Yes. All of us are hungry. Even Robin has not had breakfast.
Yeah.
And those of you know, we follow something called intermittent fasting. So our last meal was 3 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday. After that, we have not eaten because we do food vlogs. So it helps with losing weight. But yeah, in the morning for breakfast, we are super hungry. And yeah, we have a huge meal in the morning. So yes, let's go and find out. But how about this for a view, guys? Let me give you a 360-degree view of where I am. Superb. So yes, let's get on our boat. And while I look at the water, every time I can see some ripples. Yeah, there was one here. So yes, there are lots of fish in here. Seriously can't wait to catch fish. I don't know why I'm super excited. I've caught so many fish, so many places, but lately I've had very bad luck. I haven't caught anything even in Goa. So I really want to try. And yes, as we said, we are hungry first. So maybe after having breakfast, let's go for some fishing. Hey you can see a gentleman is walking with some things in his hand, and we found somebody here who is toddy tapping. Yeah, there he is. Look. Yeah, right side. Right. There are various parking spots. I think, yeah, here there are some steps. So yes, we will take these steps, go up there and see how he does it. And look at this, how skillful they have to be to, even get their boat close to this. Look at this, he's got it here so smoothly.
So smoothly.
Yeah, and so in line with the steps. It's just like, I just have to stand up. Yeah, and they have these tires here to protect. Again, the adventure is bit, but we have the expert Robin with us. Okay, thank you. Yeah, come slowly. So even Adrian wants to come along now. She was missing all the fun. And look at this, how they have made this for walking. So you can walk on this. They have used the rope. Coir, yeah. Let's go. Look at this. So there's this gentleman here. Let me get another angle. So yeah, he's doing the cutting as and I can even smell the toddy. Yeah, look at that. So cool. So he's even doing the cutting now. Yeah. Can I go there? Yeah. Okay. Look at this. So this is a close-up view. Yes. So yeah, that's where it drips from. So they have like so many pots over here. And there he puts the paste. He's putting the paste.
Yes.
What Robin was telling about. How is this paste made? From what? So I asked him how the paste is made. He's checking with him. What material?
Mud actually, without the filterized mud.
Like
Without
clay.
any salt or stone, anything.
Some more like clay.
Yeah, more like that.
Smooth.
Very smooth,
Okay. Thank you.
Hindi malu?
Malu.
Hindi.
Nice. So this gentleman, he's doing everything, and there is another guy. He
Go see how he's taking.
can I see the bone? He has the bone, right?
Yeah.
Toddy tapping.
That's the bone.
So the tapping is used for the toddy to fall in that. It increases the flow.
It's for toddy to come again.
Hi. So yes, here we have another gentleman. Can I see the bone? Which bone he's? That's the bone.
Yeah, sir. Animal bone.
It's buffalo.
Buffalo bone. Look at this, huge bone. And here he collected toddy, huh?
Yeah, he's tapping the toddy.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
See?
And
He's
then
tapping
he's,
the-
okay, wait. I have to run. Wait, Adrian. I have to run around here. Yeah. So look at that. Yeah. Look at this. So he's tapping it. So I didn't understand what it does. It helps to remove the liquid.
No, it's it's just for restarting the flow.
Okay. It helps with the flow.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah. So he's doing that. Let me go here. Yeah.
Bangalore.
Look at this. Wow. It's so lucky these guys have just got the toddy for 250 rupees 1 liter. Okay, I don't know if the price is good enough or no, but we will try it anyway. Where it is? Toddy? In this? So it's there in this. So guys, we are going to have some fresh toddy. Look at this. Yes, there we go. Fresh toddy being poured for us. And look at this. Look at the froth here. So cool. He's the man.
He's the man.
And look at this. It's fresh.
Their children also having this.
okay.
Children also.
Yeah,
So
I
yeah,
did. I want
Robin is the translator for
What
us.
to do to remove it?
Yeah.
What's this?
Water to remove. Because he'll put 1 liter toddy.
Okay. Throw it here, no? Yeah, we can throw the water here. Why dirty the canal? Yeah, so this is the 1 liter that we are going to get. Are we going to get drunk with this? Because
No,
we
it's
didn't have breakfast.
I don't
If you have 2 liter, you will drink.
2 liter, yeah.
Arey wah.
I have not drank since a long time.
Me too.
But yes, toddy is something that I cannot miss out on. Look at this.
Because it's
Yes.
a natural gas is there.
Uh-huh.
Like a
Okay.
same like a beer. It's a
Ah.
gas is producing by the itself, and it might be explored.
Oh.
If you
I'll drink.
So now we can close it?
Yeah,
No, now
if
we
you-
will drink it.
no, yeah, if you
If-
don't close tightly.
For long time.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Adrian at the first sip. I think she's having this after
It's so good.
Goa.
It's so good.
Okay, don't finish it. Keep it for us also. Straight out of the tree.
So fresh.
Ah, yes. Very nice.
ഇത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ മക്കളും
It's
കഴിക്കുന്നു
got a punch to it as
Children's-
well, but so
children
cool.
also,
Even he said, even his children. And good for stomach, right? Stomach.
Stomach. 30.
അയാളെ വയറിന് നല്ലതാണോ കുഴപ്പമുണ്ടോ?
ആ അല്ല നോ പ്രോബ്ലം
No problem.
Fiber, I think it has
അല്ലേ
fiber.
എല്ലാരും കഴിക്കും
Good for.
Good for yeah.
Yeah, if you drink the alcohol, it's not
അതെ.
good for stomach. The same
ഇതിനകത്ത്
thing.
പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് മറ്റേ ഇതൊന്നും ഇല്ല ചേരുവയില്ല ഫ്രഷ്
Ah.
People in the
So
Goa
yes, I asked him if we can have it on empty stomach. He said no
Yeah,
problem
they're
because it's natural. Alcohol, yes, if you have on empty stomach, it's a problem. But this one is good as per what they are saying. We'll find out later.
You have to pay him, no?
ഇത് എന്താ
Wow.
ചെയ്യണം ഇത് മൊത്തം ഇന്ത്യ മൊത്തം
Cheers, Robin, and cheers to you also. What an experience!
പേര് സുരേഷ് കുമാർ
Just near the
Can I have Robin?
canal and paddy field, we're having this. Gentleman has gone up again. So yes, they will go through all the trees, right?
Yes.
Yeah, most of the trees here. Look at that. One, Robin, what is made?
നീ എന്നാ ഇത് പിടിക്കാനത്
Plastic or rubber?
എപ്പോഴും നീ ഇതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടു
This plastic or rubber?
ആ പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക് പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക്
Plastic. So yeah, now our conversations have started about Goa, about Feni and everything, and I am feeling little tipsy. She's, I don't know, she's sweating, and Robin has taken a break. So yeah, what a nice experience.
Amazing.
Lovely experience. Even international travelers, if you are afraid to try this, trust me, you should try it. It's natural. It's from the tree. Don't worry. It smells. It smells. You know, you can get the fermented smell, but the taste is amazing. And if you have it early morning on an empty stomach, you are going to feel the palm trees shaking in the distance.
Until you taste, you will never know.
Yeah. And
Until you taste, you will never know.
the one who doesn't talk in the videos has suddenly started talking. So you know the Toddy has started working. Anyway guys, it's been a beautiful experience. So this is what I can say this is what I would love to live for. This is you know, it cannot get better than this. And we had so much, little more to go, but what an experience. Like superb. I mean superb. We got a first hand experience of everything, watching the process, having the toddy, being around this place, talking to the locals. Does it get any better than this? And there goes the other gentleman. Bye bye. They're talking something I don't know in Malayalam. And I'm just going to enjoy my toddy with this view.
Yeah, I'm
And this
getting,
ride.
It is strong.
Oh yeah. So many ducks there.
Yeah, in the, some people have hundreds of ducks.
Hundreds of ducks. Wow.
That's also a main business here.
Ah, you all eat duck?
So he said that some locals here have hundreds of ducks. We are in Kuttanad, and he said that this area is only accessible by a boat. And we saw a small. Sorry, excuse me, I'm down. I'm a little tipsy, I would admit that. And yeah, we saw a small boy even going by boat. So I asked him like, how come this small boy is taking his boat around? So he said that even for their daily activities they use boats. Why not? There are no roads here. Once again, stop and we are come here for breakfast. So look at this. These guys have made this from coconut, the coir. So they made this so that the soil doesn't go in the water and the grass doesn't grow too much. And look at this here. As soon as we got here, huge bunch of banana, and I saw some locals there. They were, the kids were having bath, playing in the water. They were washing something, and they are not using soap, only water, no? So look how they build their houses, because in case if there is flooding, the water can come up till here and then they can stay on top there. Interesting. And there in the distance we also have a snake boat. So we are going to go that side and show you the snake boat. Robin said we are very lucky because he's not seen this. He's only seen the snake boat out in the water during the race. So I don't know if it's our luck that has worked or what. But I'm walking very carefully on this because we finished the full bottle of toddy and we are feeling a little tipsy. You can swim, Adrian. You can do it. Do you want to try?
No.
Oh. Now we are going to go walking towards the paddy field. Yes, we've come here and yeah, wow. So we've even got the little grains of rice here. Let's, yeah, this is the old one, yeah. But yes, we are here in the paddy fields. Yeah, so much is growing here, Robin. There's a lot growing here. Yeah, so Robin is showing us the rice. Yeah, small one. I think this is the same one which we had in biryani, the small rice.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's called, but it was
No, it's a
tasty. White one?
It's a white one.
Yeah.
Kolam rice.
This kind lady, she's cleaning the fish here. This fish is called parel. It's from the canal, from the sweet water, right? Yeah. So it's a sweet water fish. Look at this. So she's just rubbing it against the stone and all the scales are coming off. Simple but such an effective idea. Nice. Thank you. So they even have zinda fish. Oh, live fish. Okay, they have so many fish here. Wala, huh? No,
Varal.
snakehead. Snakehead, yeah. So snakehead fish is right there. Cool. So you can even come here and have live fish. This is so cool. They have an eagle right here and he's even sitting on Robin's hand. I mean, this is like insane. This is crazy. Can he stand? Can he stand on my hand?
Shoulder or?
No, on my hand.
Yeah, just.
Ow! Wow! His nails hurt. But wow, he's standing on my hand. Yeah.
Put it on the shoulder.
Ow! Wow!
Okay.
Look at that. His nails hurt. He has huge nails. But look at him. He's beautiful. Look at him. I don't know what breed he is, but he's so beautiful. And now Adrian wants to get it. But his nails, guys, he's so beautiful. He's so gorgeous. I mean, like, I love nature. Look at him. He's even posing for the camera. Hi. Look at his eyes. Yeah, and his nails. I mean, when he stood on my hand here, you can see little scratch marks. But he's so gorgeous. And lady told me he's been here. Oh, he pooped at the wrong time. He's been here since 18 years. What an experience we are having here. Like, it's insane. It's out of the world experience. And now we've ordered for some breakfast. There's fish there. There's catfish, snakehead, all sorts of fish. But yeah, and thank you, Robin. Robin has got a charger for me, which is very good, so I don't have to shoot from my phone. And yes, we've ordered for parota, chicken curry, beef fry, and even tapioca. So yeah, fish, I don't know, we didn't want to try it in the morning. Maybe lunchtime, some other time is good. But for now, we'll have parota, chicken curry, beef fry, and tapioca. So something that we've been really tripping on is the beef fry. This one is a new entry for us. This is a boiled tapioca. This is chicken curry, and this is appam. And she was asking us to have fish, but I think it's too early. It's just like 10 a.m. and we are not used to having fish in the morning. Maybe in the afternoon we might try some other place, but for now we are good. And let me give you a quick review. Adrian has already approved it. She said it's nice. What about Robin? Robin says it's very smooth, very nice. Yeah. It looks good. Now let me try this. So there are big pieces of chicken. First of all, let me just get the gravy in my plate. It looks nice. Look at this. Typical Kerala gravy, thick. You can see some, one minute. Adrian wants some gravy, so looks like she enjoyed it. And yes, they are generous with the chicken pieces as well. And all this, the cost is just 355 rupees, which is a very good deal. I feel 3 of us are eating in that amount. Okay, I think I have taken too much, but yes. Let me try this. Yeah? Adrian said beef is amazing. And yes, chicken curry, spicy, peppery.
Very good.
फिश तो खाने का ये तो हम लोग का हाईलाइट है फिश
बाद में करूँ. So she is the one. She made food for us. She is recommending good food. Thank you. ये बहुत अच्छा है. Thank you. आपका नाम?
सबिता
Sabita. This area is Kottayam, right?
Not Kottayam. Kuttanad.
वेनाटुगाड
Venatugad. The local name is Venatugad.
कुटनाड ये प्लेस का नेम वेनाटुगाड वेनाटुगाड
Okay. Venatagad. We are in Venatagad in Kutta.
In Kuttanad, yes.
In
Kuttanad is
Kuttanad.
the common name. for-
Kuttanal. Okay.
It's a like among some villages is common name is Kuttanad.
Okay, nice. And good thing is that the chicken is also very soft and tender. Flavor is amazing, and Adrian said the beef fry is too good. Let me try this. Wow. So good. She's highly recommending the fish. We will definitely try today, but not right now because it's too early. And let's have the tapioca. Boiled tapioca, I've never had this. Very nice. You can say it's like a sweet potato, but it's not sweet. So yes guys, fantastic experience, and we even have this Ayurvedic water. You commented in our video, you called it Chur Vellam. Chur Vellam boiled water. What is this?
There is a spice. I forgot.
There is a herb, yeah. Can I try? It doesn't have much taste, like very mild flavor, but they have it for Ayurvedic reason. It's supposed to be good for your stomach. And look at this, we are all having a great time, and Mr. Eagle is there in the background there. What an experience. Yes, it is hot and humid because of the roof here, but we finished everything. Just a little bit of tapioca is remaining because we are full. And next to this place is the toddy shop, and let me give you a little update on our eagle friend. So Mr. Eagle friend here has changed his position. He is looking at Robin, and yeah, it's so cool, isn't it? He's not even flying away. He likes our company, I guess. So he's been here since almost 18 years, and proof that he's been here since a long time. Look at all the marks. So he's literally painted it white. Where is he? Yeah. And look at his nails on his leg. So friendly. Look at him. He's even moving now. I don't know what he's up to, but he's looking at something. And look at his beak. So big. I think it's a Brahmini kite. My apologies, I made a mistake. This is the total bill, this is the breakup. There's a slight fluctuation because compared to the mainland over here, they have to go all the way. They just go once a week to bring all the stuff, but what an experience it has been. Thank you. So she is the one who guided us. We will try fish, but maybe in the afternoon time. Not right now, it's too early for us. So this is a place behind me where the local come to have toddy, have a good time. And Robin here is taking us to a bridge there. So he said the bridge there has a good view. Lots of loud locals. You know the reason why. Toddy is around. And yes, let's see what's there on this bridge. Actually, I got a charging point there, so I've charged my camera. I have around 17%. I think it's enough to cover everything on this trip, because we'll be going to some more canals, some more smaller canals. Yeah, and look at this view. So yes, nice view there. Lots of locals who live here, boats, and yeah, this side is a bigger canal, that way is a smaller canal. Look at this, these guys will come right to your doorstep to sell fish. They even have ice, and that looks like tuna. I think this is tuna.
Yeah, the tuna.
Tuna, yeah.
That one is
Ah, so much fish. Thank you.
കരിമീൻ
Karimeen, yeah.
അത് പോയിക്കോട്ടെ.
Look at that, so much fish.
ഇത് നമ്മുടെ പെട്ടിക്കകത്ത്.
No, no, okay, okay.
കാണിച്ചായിരുന്നു അവിടെ.
This fish is very famous here. This is called karimeen, and this is the snakehead in English. What is this?
Vada.
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 Vada. This is the local language. Prawns, yeah. So look at this. We ate here, right here, and they will come right to their doorstep and sell the fish. A lot of walking to be done. We made it to the boat, and now here comes my tapioca. It's hot, but the food was great, and now let's go and see the snake boat there. Look at that. Yeah, so if you guys watched our Kochi video in the shop, this boat was on display. Can you imagine how big that shop is? And that's because, look at this one. This is easily more than 100 feet long. Look at that. So these are the snake boats that they use in the famous races in Kerala. And the team that wins the race wins the Nehru Trophy, as Robin said, because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he was the first guest for the race. So it's a silver trophy, so that trophy gets circulated. Interesting, isn't it? So we are leaving the bigger canal and entering into the smaller canal. And somewhere here we are going to try a little bit of fishing. We are trying our hands at fishing. We are using little flour for wheat flour. I think this is for bait, and this is the very old school way of fishing here. So there Adrian is fishing, like she's just put the line here. The small fish are biting so much, so hopefully, fingers crossed, let's see what we can get. Yes, the first one of the day after waiting for so long. Look at this. I don't know what fish this is, but it's all popping here. Yeah, look at this. It has a spot down there. It took us so long to catch, but I told Adrian, I feel I will catch here one. Should I leave it? Yeah. Yeah. So we are going to release this guy because he's very small. Go. There he is. There he is. Yeah. So after a long time, after bad luck in Goa, in Kerala, yes, finally we got one. I am happy now. Look at this. So we have now entered a narrow canal, and yes, you can see so many of these plants there. And Robin there behind has informed me that we will be going to an even more narrow canal. So yeah, interesting. Let's see what's there ahead. We've parked our boat right here next to this beautiful canal. It's called Kainakiri. We are near this bridge here. So Robin said that we can go there and explore this area a little bit, because there's a beautiful church there. Just wanted to thank Robin, because we have got the complete Alleppey experience thanks to him. And this brings us to the end of our Kerala series. Sadly, we will be leaving tomorrow. Robin, thank you so much. We experienced everything. I even caught a fish. Actually, 2 fish. One slipped and fell off. She is the witness. She wanted to catch one, but she couldn't.
Gone.
Gone.